Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about a new chapter, that is light. So I hope all are doing well and study well. So don't delay, let's proceed to the session. Just give me some time. Okay, so you can see that is light energy. Okay, what is the name of this chapter? The name of this chapter is light energy. That means basically that is light. In this chapter I will discuss about a reflection. First you have to learn about a reflection and laws of reflection. Okay, in this part I will discuss these two topics. Okay, that means what is reflection and laws of reflection. Okay, that is also the basic idea. Now coming to the main part. Listen, a reflection. Okay, so what is reflection? What is a reflection? Again, what is the Bengali meaning of the reflection? রিফ্লেকশনটা কি জিনিস এবং রিফ্লেকশনের বেঙ্গলি মিনিংটা কি? রিফ্লেকশন মানে হচ্ছে প্রতিফলন। হোয়াট ইজ দিস? প্রতিফলন। ক্লিয়ার? দিস ইজ দ্য বেঙ্গলি মিনিং। নাও জাস্ট ট্রাই টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ রিফ্লেকশন। রিফ্লেকশন মানে কি? লাইট যখন লাইট তোমরা কম বেশি দেখেছো, সবাই সবাই জানো লাইট হচ্ছে কি আলো। কি লাইট? একবার তরঙ্গ। লাইট ইজ এ ওয়েভ। ক্লিয়ার? লাইট যখন কোনো একটা মিডিয়ামের উপর যখন পড়ে, when light falls on a medium, when light falls on a medium, if this light again goes through that same medium, that concept is called a reflection. Clear? What is this? Let's say this is a medium or this is a surface. Just imagine this one is an incident, this one is a ray. Okay, what is this? This one is a ray of light. Okay, so falls on the surface of the medium, that means like that. Okay, falls on the surface of the medium. So after that what will happen? After that, if that particular light reflect to the same medium, that means that same medium will be, there will not be change in the medium. Let's say this is the air medium. So if it reflects to the same medium, that means if it is like that, clear? This phenomena is called a reflection. Clear? Okay. Now listen, if you see in your book, this is the definition of reflection. This is the definition of reflection. The phenomena of change in the direction. The phenomena of change in the direction. ভালো করে খেয়াল রাখবে, that is important. Direction. Clear? This point. The phenomena of change in the direction of light after striking a surface or medium, clear, through which it cannot pass. So reflection, what is reflection? Reflection means একটা মিডিয়ামের উপর যখন কোনো লাইট এসে ইমার্জ করছে অর্থাৎ পড়ছে, সেখান থেকে যদি সেই লাইটটা যদি ঘুরে যায়, ক্লিয়ার, সেখান থেকে সেই লাইটটা যদি কি হচ্ছে, যে ডাইরেকশন চেঞ্জ যদি ঘুরে যায়, ক্লিয়ার, দ্যাট ফেনোমেনা ইজ কল্ড রিফ্লেকশন. Okay, you can see this also. Okay, here also the same picture. I hope you understand. Okay, now you need to understand some basic terms. Okay, so what is this? যে রেটা এসে পড়ছে, clear, the ray of light that strikes or falls on the surface, the ray of light that strikes on the surface of the medium. The name of this ray is called incident ray. What is this? This is incident ray. Clear? তাহলে যে রেটা এসে পড়লো কোন মিডিয়ামের উপরে সেই রেটার নাম কি? What is the name of this ray? The name of this ray is incident ray. Clear? Again, যে রেটা রিফ্লেক্ট করছে, after reflecting, clear, after reflecting, what will be the name? The name will be reflected ray. That means that is the reflected ray. That is the incident ray. The first one is the incident ray. You can see the first one is the incident ray, and after reflecting, the name of the ray is reflected ray. Clear? Clear or not? Just tell me this thing. I hope you understand. যেই পয়েন্টে এসে পড়ছে, যেই পয়েন্টের উপর এসে পড়ছে, the name of this point is point of incidence. What is point of incidence? That means this one. This one is point of incidence. Point of incidence. Clear? যেখানে পড়ছে that particular point এর নাম কি? Point of incidence. Okay? So if you see in your book, you will get, just see, this is the incident ray. Clear? Again, this is the point of incidence. You can see this is the point of incidence. And the next, normal. What is normal? This is the third part. That means what is normal at the point of incidence? Normal ta ki jinis? What is normal? Very easy. Point of incidence থেকে একটা perpendicular draw করো. Try to draw a perpendicular from point of incidence. Clear? So if you want to draw a perpendicular, there will not be any arrow sign. Just a minute. Okay. So if you want to draw a perpendicular, this perpendicular is called normal at the point of incidence. Clear? That means what is the perpendicular? This one. This one is the perpendicular. That means this. Clear? You can see. This one is called normal. What is? Clear? Okay. Now you will get a clear cut picture also. Here also a clear cut picture is given. Just see. Let's say PO. This is a incident ray. This is a incident ray, PO. Clear? You can see this one is the incident ray. Clear? Again, after reflecting, what will be the name of this ray? The name of this ray will be a reflected ray. Clear? Now what is normal? If you want to draw a perpendicular from the point of incidence, this one is the point of incidence. This one is the point of incidence. Clear? So if you want to draw a perpendicular, then the name of this perpendicular is normal. That means normal at the point of incidence. Clear? If you that is simple normal, there will be no problem. You can say that is the simple normal. Okay, I hope you understand. Clear? Next part. What is the next part? Just give me some time. Yeah, a reflected ray we already discussed. Now angle of incidence. Next part, angle of incidence. Again, angle of reflection. Clear? What is angle of incidence? So just see, angle of incidence, It is the angle. It is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. So just try to see this one. What is this? This one. Just a minute. Yeah, this one. This one is the angle of incidence. It is the angle. It is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. Clear? That is called incident angle of incidence. Again, what is the symbol? The symbol is I. What is the symbol? Angle of incidence. What is the symbol? Symbol is small I. Clear? Small I. Okay. Now, next, angle of reflection. What is angle of reflection? Same thing, just it is the angle between the normal. It is the angle between the normal and the reflected ray. Clear? Reflected ray and the normal. Just try to understand. This one is normal. This one is the reflected ray. You can see this one is the reflected ray. So the angle between the reflected ray and the normal is called angle of reflection. Clear? That is the first one is the angle of incidence. Second one is the angle of reflection. Clear? Again, what is the symbol? That means I want to say this one. Clear? So what will be the symbol of the angle of angle of reflection? The symbol is R. What is this? Small r. Clear? Small r is the symbol of angle of reflection. Clear? Okay. Again, plane. What is plane? That is very simple. A plane is flat two-dimensional surface with no thickness. That means this one. This one is the plane. Clear? This one is the plane. Again, that is basically that is a mirror. Clear? You can see যখন আমরা কি করি একটা মিরর নিয়ে অনেক সময় করি না, সূর্যের আলোটা ধরো আসছে কোনো দিকে, আমরা মিরর নিয়ে ইচ্ছা করে কি করি অনেক দিকে অনেক সময় দেখাই না, একটা একটা প্রতিবিম্ব মতো পড়ে। ক্লিয়ার? দ্যাট ইজ দ্য বেসিক থিং। So you have to learn in this part. The first one is angle of incidence. I hope you understand. Next, angle of reflection. Clear? Angle of incidence, that means I. Angle of reflection, that means R. Clear? You can understand, I hope. First one first one is the incident ray, PQ. PQ is the incident ray. Q OQ, that means that is the reflected ray. Clear? Again, normal and point of incidence, that is the point of incidence. Clear? That is the point of incidence. This one is the plane. This one is called plane. You can see this one. Okay, that is the plane. Okay, reflecting surface of plane. Clear? I hope you understand. Now, the second part, laws of reflection. What is this? Laws of reflection. What is laws of reflection? The first and the second, there will be two formula. Clear? The first is the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence I is equal to the angle of reflection. What is this? The angle of incidence, that means I, equal to angle of reflection. That means the mathematical form will be angle I equal to angle R. Clear? What is this? This is the mathematical form. Clear? And the second thing is the incident ray, reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence will be in the same plane. Clear? What is this? The incident ray, that means let's say this is a plane, that is the incident ray. Clear? Again, that is the reflected ray. Again, that is the normal. Incident, reflected and the normal will be in the same plane or will lie in the same plane. একই প্লেনের উপরে কি হবে? থাকবে। Clear? I hope you understand. Okay, so this is the thing. That's all for today. We'll meet in the another session. Now you have to do your homework. So till then, tata, bye bye.